Hello, my name is Robert Mitchell and welcome to this episode for Product of the Week. In today's episode, we will be looking at the extremely small but powerful Nicla Sense ME. The Nicla Sense ME is an incredibly small Arduino development board that integrates multiple processors, sensors, and other hardware needed to create powerful industrial, commercial, and IoT projects. Now, when I first saw the price tag for this thing, I was a tad shocked, thinking that there had been a mistake. But, and I cannot stress this enough, when I found out what this thing can do, I totally understood the price tag. So to start, the Nicla Sense ME integrates a whole range of Bosch sensors capable of sensing the surrounding environment, including temperature, humidity, magnetic fields, and numerous gases. It also incorporates a low-power ARM Cortex-M4 as well as edge AI capabilities, which is utterly insane when seeing how small this thing is. There is so much stuff packed into this board, you will struggle not to find applications for it. Getting down to the specifics, let's start with the many sensors that this board packs, and they include the BMM150 magnetometer, the BMP390 pressure sensor, the BME688 4-in-1 gas sensor, and the BHI260 AP motion sensor. Two of these sensors, the BME688 gas sensor and the BHI260 AP motion sensor, integrate AI engines that can, and I do not, self-learn.
Language, Robin.
Not my dad. This means that during their operation, they can detect specific patterns, such as jogging and walking, as well as identify anomalies from normal operation. With regards to computational power, the Nicla Sense ME integrates an nRF52832 SoC, which includes a 64 MHz ARM Cortex-M4, 64 KB of static RAM, 512 KB of flash, SPI, I2C, 12-bit ADC, and Bluetooth 5.0, 4.2 if you're using the Arduino BLE stack. There's a second but smaller microcontroller on this board that's used as a serial to USB bridge, and this acts as a debugging port and a programming port, which makes using this thing incredibly easy, certainly easier than trying to say the name of the chip, which is the ATSAMD11D14A. I got it right first time. I know, right? The Nicla Sense ME also incorporates a battery connector for use with portable power sources, castellated holes around the edge for soldering directly onto PCBs, and a weight of just 2 grams with dimensions of 22.86mm by 22.86mm, which is obscene for something with this many features. One project that the Nicla Sense ME would do very well is predictive maintenance in machinery. Just about any appliance with a large motor, such as a dishwasher, washing machine, or tumble dryer, can have this board attached to it to monitor the vibration, temperature, and even the magnetic signature of that appliance. During operation, if small vibrations or unexpected changes in its sensory signature are detected by the AI, it could be used to alert you that the appliance may soon fail. Another potential use for the Nicla Sense ME is as a wearable fitness tracker. The ability for the motion sensor to detect different activities and using AI to better distinguish between these activities as it's being used enables this device to track all kinds of data points. Furthermore, the ambient temperature, humidity, pressure, and gas sensors could be used to provide early warning notifications on potentially harmful environments. The low energy nature of this board also makes the Nicla Sense ME super ideal for IoT applications that need to run for extended periods of time, periodically send data, and have the ability to monitor their surrounding environment. For example, this board could be used to monitor indoor air quality and send signals to a remote server to make adjustments in thermostats and window controls. In conclusion, the Nicla Sense ME is an extremely small yet really powerful development board that packs one hell of a punch. With its numerous AI-powered sensors, this thing is arguably more intelligent than the people, or person, who I'm currently looking at.
Cheeky.
The ability to detect temperature, pressure, motion, magnetic fields, and volatile gases means that nothing, and I mean nothing, will get past this thing. So, if you are looking to create bleeding edge projects for use in IoT, wearable, or industrial applications, head over to the Electromaker store where you can find all the parts you need to get making. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.